Hello everyone, this is Rahil and welcome back on Cloud Saviors. So in this particular video, we are not going to discuss about anything technical, anything on Azure certification. No, a big no. Basically, in this particular video, we are covering the job market. So let's say if you are already certified in any kind of Azure certification, let's say any expert level, beginner level, anything, and you are searching for job. So yep, we will be covering about your job market, where you can apply directly, where you can interact directly with the company representative. But yes, before starting this particular video, or I would say a conversation, make sure you click on the subscribe button, and the moment you saw this video, make sure you click on the like button if you like it, and if you want to share this video, if you want to share this information with anyone else as well, you can also share this video with others as well. So yep, let's start it. So friends, you must have heard about Monster, right? So this video is sponsored by Monster only. So Monster is going to organize one event starting from 13th December 2021 till 17th December 2021. So this virtual event will be based on job searching, right? So it's a kind of we are trying to fulfill a gap between companies and the right candidate, or I would say cloud professionals. Okay, so first thing, if you are a cloud expert and you know what, you are having a 2 or 3 years of experience, and you are having a beginners level certification, okay, so you can just register in this particular event and you can interact with the companies as well. So the details, like what kind of companies are coming, and how to register, and what is the prerequisite, everything I have shared in the description as well, and the main points I will cover in this video as well. Okay, the companies, like 50 plus companies are coming in this particular event, and 400 plus openings, right? So yep, if you are one of them, like cloud professional, cloud engineer, data engineer, and Power BI engineer, so you should really register on this particular event. So basically we have some prerequisite as well. Let me just tell you one by one. Actually, we have two prerequisite. First one is, you must be having at least one Azure certification, no matter if it is a beginner one, intermediate, or expert level, but yes, you must have at least one Azure certification. So don't worry about that. If you are not having any certification at this particular moment, you can easily crack at least beginner level certification in next 2 or 3 days, right? AZ 900 and DP 900, AI 900, these are some certification. If you are familiar about cloud and AI, Power BI, you can easily crack this particular certification, like beginner level only. Okay, that is the one thing. Second one is, if you register in this particular event and go for certification, then you will get 40% discount as well from Microsoft, right? Because there's a collaboration between Microsoft and monster.com. Okay, so use this particular opportunity just to crack your certification and find your dream job as well, because there would be no one, only you and the companies. You can easily contact with them, you can easily talk to them, and of course you can share your resume as well. If there is a great match, then yes, you will be hired as well. So if you need more information about this particular event, you can refer the description as well, where I have shared the link where you can register yourself. And if you need more information, I have also shared one email ID from Monster people, or I would say from Monster side. And if you need any information from my side, so of course just message me on my Instagram or maybe on my LinkedIn. The links I've already provided in my description. So use this particular opportunity just to crack your certification, and of course just to find your jobs as well. Okay, so let's talk about point number second. So if you want to be a part of this particular event, then you must be having at least 1 year of experience. So I'm really sorry for those who just passed out right now and who are freshers. I might come up with something else with you people, but for now, I mean, if you are having a 12 months of experience, then you can enroll in this particular event. So that is the two prerequisite that you have to fulfill before registering in this particular event. Okay, and the most important part is the portal that Monster has developed. So basically, it's a virtual event where you can just, sit in the lobby, and there would be a session. You can just attend it. It would be the exact replica of physical, I would say, event. So you must have login, or you must have joined Microsoft Ignite. I really love this event, like a complete exact replica of your auditorium. Yeah, like the cafeteria, and the exact way we see any kind of event in physical world. There would be an exact replica in in on your screen. So you can just go and register, and of course be a part of this wonderful event, which is starting from 13th of December 2021. So if you need any information from my side, feel free to message me on LinkedIn and Instagram as well. And I'm also sharing some contacts from Monster as well in the description below. So thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.